coming to site. We had a meeting today, site progress meeting, to find out how everything is going in terms of the progress, in terms of the quality of work. And we are, so far, so good. We are happy with the quality and the progress. We note that the contractor is quite experienced, and he has also committed to doing quite a lot. He has even given us good formwork in terms of steel formwork, so that he can quicken the work, the progress, and he's promising us to give us even a faster progress in the floors to come. In terms of the progress so far, I know there have been a bit of challenges because of the foundation. Foundation works is usually a bit slow, but the contractor, we are actually catching up. We are hoping by the time the heavy rains come, we'll be on the ground floor finishing up.
We are handling this project, and at the moment the progress where we are at the ground floor columns, and we are finishing the front retaining walls and the gates and everything. So our target is that this month, this coming month of October, we want to finish this mezzanine slab, and also finish the columns on top and come up to another mezzanine floor. So that's what our target is, and let's hope for the best.